Let's say I'm presenting in PowerPoint and I want to zoom in on something on my screen. I can do that. Let me show you an example of that. So let's say I want to zoom in on this section and look, it's big. And then if I want to go back to what I was doing, I could do this. And let me try it again. Let me zoom in over here on the comments. There we go. And I can zoom out. So how'd I do that? Well, I'm going to show you the window where I'm controlling PowerPoint. So this is the same screen, right? This is where you advance and not advance and go back. So if you click on this little magnifying glass here, it'll let you go over here and enlarge, right? And then if I want to go back to that, I'm going to find my window again, and then I'm going to unclick that. So that is how you zoom in and out of things in PowerPoint while you're presenting.